Also talking about the historic mandate for the opposition bloc. At this point of time, the BJP-led NDA won the Lok Sabha polls 2024. But what has stunned the nation is the resurgence of the Congress-led INDIA bloc. INDIA bloc will hold a meet today to decide the future course of action. And after the counting yesterday, Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and TDP Chief N. Chandrababu Naidu have emerged as kingmakers and are expected to meet top BJP brass in Delhi today itself. Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge hinted at forming a government and talking to the new allies. Mamata Banerjee also said that INDIA bloc will be open to return of Nitish Kumar, and top INDIA bloc sources have in fact told CNN News 18 that the bloc in fact might try to reach out to Nitish Kumar, Chandrababu Naidu and Naveen Patnaik at the same time.
We're going to have a meeting with our partners, the India Alliance partners. I believe that meeting is tomorrow, and these questions will be raised there and they will be answered there. We respect our alliance partners, and we are not going to make statements in the press without asking them their opinion.
जब तक हम अपने अलायंस पार्टनर से बात नहीं करेंगे और जो नए पार्टनर हमको जुड़ने वाले हैं उनसे भी किस तरीके से हम बात करके अपने को मेजॉरिटी बना सकते हैं वो देखेंगे।
हम एनडीए नहीं मानते, हम इंडिया मानते हैं। Don't ask me NDA, it is gone. It is a lost case. जो सीबीआई या ईडी से बांटने के लिए जा रहा है, ये उसका मामला है, वो हम लोग देख लेंगे। हम बाद में बातचीत करके देखेंगे, लेकिन हमारा जो भी करना है, हम चाहते हैं इंडिया टीम लीड करे कंट्री को।
This is the main thing that this election has said. The country has unanimously and clearly stated, we do not want Mr. Narendra Modi and Mr. Amit Shah to be involved in the running of this country. We do not like the way they have run this country. We do not appreciate the way they have attacked the constitution. We do not appreciate the way they have run this country for the last 10 years. यूपी ने हिंदुस्तान की राजनीति समझकर, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर खतरा समझकर उत्तर प्रदेश ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की रक्षा की है। चुनाव हम बीजेपी एक राजनीतिक दल, हिंदुस्तान के इंस्टीट्यूशंस, हिंदुस्तान का जो पूरा गवर्नेंस का स्ट्रक्चर है, इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज, सीबीआई, ईडी, ये सब आधी जुडिशरी, इन सब के खिलाफ हम लड़े थे।
All those twists and turns in the political dynamic, it's time for us to wrap up for now. But stay with CNN News 18 as news and updates continue here on the other side. Thanks for watching.